in this session of accounting class 12, we will be going to see the presentation of the accounting treatment of goodwill. Okay, in that what we will be observing that we will be seeing the calculation of the goodwill, and then what will be the treatment of that goodwill in the case of the admission of the partner. Okay, so in this case we will be discussing this with the help of the numerical presentation. So calculation of goodwill and treatment in which there are some adjustments. There are certain adjustments which are being given. So what is the effect of those adjustments while doing the calculation of the goodwill? So we have to observe that thing, and then we will be finding the goodwill, and then we will be seeing that what is the accounting treatment in the case of the admission of the partner related with that goodwill. So we will be discussing this with the help of the numerical. The numerical, it says like this: A and B are partners in the firm in the ratio 3:2. There are two partners, A and B. So A and B are partners in the ratio 3:2. Now they admit C. C is admitted in the partnership, and C comes in the partnership for 1/4 share, for which he brings 2.5 lakh capital. C is coming for 1/4 share, for which he brings 2,50,000 rupees as capital. So this is the amount which is brought by C as a capital amount. Then what it is said, that the goodwill of the firm will be valued at 3 years purchase of the average profit of last 4 years. Valuation of goodwill. So goodwill is valued at 3 years purchase of the average profit of last 4 years. Okay, so goodwill is valued on this basis. Now we have been provided with the average profit of last 4 years, that is 2 lakh, 2.5 lakh, 3 lakh and 3.5 lakh. Okay, 2 lakh, 2.5 lakh, that is 2,50,000. Then it is 3 lakh and 3,50,000 respectively for the year 17, 18, 19 and 20. So these are the profit of the 4 years, that is 17, 18, 19 and 20. 2 lakh, 2,50,000, 3 lakh and 3,50,000. Now we have to do the calculation of the goodwill on the basis of average profit of past 4 years. Okay, and in that they have given the adjustment that closing stock for the year ending 31st March 19 was overvalued by 50,000. In the year 19 there was an overvaluation of closing stock. So two adjustments are given by them. Closing stock in 2019 was overvalued by rupees 50,000. And second, it was said that there was a management cost. Okay, there was a management cost of rupees 50,000 every year, which was not taken into consideration. Okay, there was a management cost of rupees 50,000 every year, which was not taken into consideration. That means we have to charge annually. Okay, so these two adjustments are to be made by us. So first what we have to do, we have to find out the adjusted profit, because there are two adjustments. This management cost is 50,000 every year, which was not taken into consideration, and we have seen that there was a closing stock overvalued by 50,000 in the year 2019. So first we will be finding out the adjusted adjusted profit. So calculation of adjusted profit. Calculation of adjusted profit. So profit for 2017, that is 2 lakh rupees, minus management cost 50,000. Okay, so this becomes 1,50,000 as an adjusted profit. Profit for 2018, it was 2,50,000 rupees. Okay, minus management cost 50,000. So this becomes 2 lakh. In this 2 year, we have to give the adjustment of management cost. Then it comes 2019, the total profit was 3 lakh rupees. Okay, so management cost again we have to subtract, that is 50,000. And then it was said that in 2019 there was a closing stock overvalued by 50,000. Closing stock was overvalued, ज़्यादा लिख दिया. So when there is an overvaluation of closing stock, then your profit will increase of that year. So you have to do the adjustment. आपको इस अमाउंट को भी क्या करना है, 50,000 को माइनस करना है, that is overvaluation of stock. So now it will be 3 lakh minus 1 lakh, that is 2 lakh rupees. Then in the year 20, overall profit was 3,50,000 minus 50,000, which is management cost every year. And then what we have to see, that when there was an overvaluation of closing stock in the year 2019, so that closing stock will now be transferred as an opening stock in the next year, that is 2020. So when we have transferred that opening stock 2020, in the year 2020, it was also in excess by 50,000 rupees. जो 2019 में जो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक आपने 50,000 ज्यादा लिख दिया था, तो वो एज इट इज 2020 में जाके ट्रांसफर हुआ, तो वहां पे भी वो 50,000 ज्यादा डेबिट हुआ एज एन ओपनिंग स्टॉक. सो व्हेन दिस विल टेक प्लेस, सो देयर विल बी द डिक्रीज इन द अमाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट ऑफ द ईयर 2020. तो जब वो प्रॉफिट इस वजह से डिक्रीज हुआ है, तो हमें वो 50,000 रुपए वापस से क्या करने हैं, यहाँ पे ऐड करने हैं. तो प्लस 50,000. So overall effect 3,50,000 is your adjusted profit. So this is the statement of adjusted profit. मैनेजमेंट कॉस्ट 4 साल माइनस हुई, और जिस साल स्टॉक ओवर वैल्यू हुआ उस साल उसको हमने माइनस करा, और उसी का इफेक्ट नेक्स्ट ईयर में क्या हुआ कि वो डेबिट साइड में गया एज एन ओपनिंग स्टॉक. सो व्हेन डेबिट साइड इज मोर, तो वहां पे आपका प्रॉफिट जो है वो डिक्रीज हो गया, तो वो आपको वो 50,000 का अमाउंट उस साल में वहां पे ऐड करना है. सो दिस इज ओवरऑल एडजस्टेड प्रॉफिट. ये हो गया. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एडजस्टेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एडजस्टेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट. सो एडजस्टेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट की कैलकुलेशन ऑफ एडजस्टेड average profit. Now this is not required, we have already used it. So now we have got this profit, we have to use this thing. ठीक, तो calculation of adjusted average profit. ठीक, formula will be adjusted average profit of all years upon number of years. So adjusted average profit of all years 150, 350, 550, 6 and 9. तो ये सारा का सारा adjusted average profit का टोटल हो जाएगा, that is 9 lakh rupees divided by 4. Number of years total 4. So total amount will become, that is adjusted average profit will become 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, okay, 5 4 5 are 20, so it will be 2,25,000. 68,000 rupees. That is the adjusted average profit. Now we will be seeing the valuation of goodwill. So goodwill is 3 times of the adjusted average profit. It is said here 3 years purchase. So goodwill बरोबर adjusted average profit into 3. So 2,25,000 into 3 equals to 6,75,000 rupees. So this is the amount of goodwill, that is the amount of goodwill of the firm, 6,75,000 rupees. Now in this 6,75,000 rupees, we have to find out the share of the incoming partner, that is 1/4. So it will be C's share of premium. Okay, so 6,75,000 rupees total goodwill into 1/4. 4 ones are 4, 2, 27, 4 6 are 24, 35, 4 32, 3, 4 7 it will be 168,750. So C share of premium is 168,750 rupees. This is the amount of premium which will be brought by C, 168,750. Okay, adjusted average profit divided by 3, total 6,75,000 is your premium. So this will become like this. Okay, so this was the calculation of adjusted average profit. Then we have got the adjusted profit. Then we have got the adjusted average profit. Then now we have got goodwill. Then we have got the premium for C share of goodwill. Now general entries. Okay, it is said that C is bringing the total amount by check. So when it is said like this, the bank account debit to premium for goodwill account and to C's capital account. Total capital brought by C 2,50,000 rupees. Total premium amount brought by C 1,68,750. So total amount will be 4,18,750. This is the amount brought by C on his admission. That is premium and capital amount brought by C. Now this premium for goodwill which is brought by C will be given to the sacrificing partner, that is A and B. A and B are the partners. Their profit sharing ratio was 3:2, and then it is said nothing that in which share they have sacrificed, in which ratio they have sacrificed. Neither they have given any such conditions through which we can find the sacrificing ratio. So there is an assumption working here that they have sacrificed in their old profit sharing ratio. So now the entry will be premium for goodwill account debit to A's capital account and to B's capital account. So total premium is 1,68,750. So this will be divided in the ratio 3:2. So division will take place in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, so just see this thing. A will get 1,68,750 3/5. So it is 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 8. So here it becomes 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 50, 3 7s are 21, 22, 3 3s are 9 into 11, 3 3s are 9 and 1, 10. 1 left, 1250 will go to A, and B 168,750 into 2 by 5. So 33750. Okay. So it will be 67,500 rupees, which will be going to B respectively. Okay. So this is the case. 1 lakh 1,250 goes to A and 67,500 goes to B. Okay. Premium for goodwill adjusted in sacrificing partners capital account. This is how we are adjusting the premium for goodwill. So this is an overall calculation related with the treatment of premium for goodwill, when we have to calculate the amount of goodwill also, and there was some adjustment in that also. So how we have done that thing. So this was the total explanation with the help of the numerical, and at the end of the day what was the accounting treatment related with that concept. Hope you have understood this thing, and now you will be able to solve this type of problems conveniently. Thank you and have a nice day.